avalanche. Okay, so he's just I've just had a chat with a guy and he's going to show me this. This is the buckrake. We don't normally see this on the farm, but the loader is broken, so they're using this. So he's going to do the thumbs up, he's going to do the ram out. Look at this. So that's pushing the maize off. Come up again, it's going back, look at that. Lovely bit of kit, that big beast, isn't it? I won't get in his way now. Thanks for that. There you go, he's carrying on now. Putting the rest of that in there. Look at that, oh look, he's pushed it off. Just shows you what it can do. Very clever little bit of machinery, that. Anyway, it's lunchtime now. We're cracking on. It's about 12:30. I think we'll be finished by probably half 2 or something. 3 o'clock. And he's going to push that load in a bit more when we know how much we've got. There we go. Good example of how that machine works. Brilliant. And he's off. He's just telling me that he likes using that with a tractor because it's very manoeuvrable. Okay, so the team have stopped for lunch, and so I thought I'd just have a quick look around here while there's no tractors and things whizzing around, because it's not easy to have a close look when there's a lot going on. So we'll just have a look firstly at this big pile of maize behind. I was just speaking to the guy on the forager earlier, and he's saying that ours is not a bad crop with not much weed in it compared with some. There's always good and bad in crops. You never know quite how it's going to turn out till later in the season. It's still quite green on this bit. You can see the little bits of maize kernel in there, crushed up. It's sort of greener in certain bits. Look, you see that middle bit is sort of green, and then it goes brown here. And we'll have a look up here. I'm hoping he can push it back further. I don't think it needs to come out as far as this. We've still got plenty of room in this clamp, and we've had it piled up higher than this before. But it's good how he's doing it in layers like this. It will squash down well, which is quite important. Yeah, so it's not so easy. He hasn't got a loader bucket on this time. I think sometimes I've done it with a loader bucket in the past with maize, because it doesn't stick together and it tends to fall apart. Sometimes it's probably easier with a loader bucket. I don't know though, because I'm not the guy on the clamp. But yeah, so I don't think it'll be many more hours till they finish this, and then they'll get we'll get the sheet on later tonight.